Today is Easter, and so I thought I would do just a quick little makeup tutorial. This is the completed look. If you want to see how I did this, keep watching. First, I always start with moisturizer, and I've been using the Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid. And my skin gets really dry, so I have to put on a lot of moisturizer. And I'm not really sure what makeup look I'm gonna do yet, because now that I have the pink hair, I don't know what will look good. Since it's Easter, I'm gonna do like full face foundation and everything. And I always start off with the Makeup Forever color correcting base in green because I have really red cheeks. And so this kind of cancels them out a little bit. And so I just put that on the places that are really red, which are my cheeks, my chin right here, and my nose. I'm not even sure what this product is. It's from Glam Glow, which I really like their stuff. And it's a nude glow, so you kind of wear it as foundation or underneath, but it kind of looks like highlight. I don't know. But since my face is really dry, like it's not like I'm oily or anything, so I should put this all over. Make my face look glowing. But I kind of focus on the areas where I would put highlight. It smells like candy. It's actually really good. So the foundation I use is just from Target. It's the Pixie by Petra line. And it has like a concealer, but this one's too light. But the foundation is perfect because besides redness and like kind of uneven coloring, like my skin doesn't really need any covering up, thankfully. So I just use this when I'm trying to look good, or like if I'm gonna be taking photos or something to even out my skin tone. And I'm just applying this with a damp beauty blender. I always feel the need to say that I'm a certified makeup artist, and this is not how I would apply makeup on somebody else, because this is not the way to do it. But for myself, I don't care. And like before I was trained, this is just the way I would do it, so I'm like used to doing it this way. And I really only need it like in the cheek area, so I just focus on that. And I just put a little on my forehead. And this one like really doesn't look like I'm wearing foundation in my opinion. I know I definitely want to wear red lipstick because I always do. I'm gonna see what this looks like if I put a little in my crease. I don't want it to be like I'm wearing too much makeup though, because I prefer a natural look. Actually, that's such a lie. I love being who I am. Pro tip, if you have this contour kit, I use this shade as eyeshadow. I think it looks good. That's just what to do when you don't have any eyeshadow with you. So I'm just blending some of that into the like pinky red color. Another thing that isn't the right way to use this palette, the other cream contour palette, I use this color as concealer because I have such bad under eye circles. I mean, they look pretty bad. And the bad thing is that I can't find a concealer that works for me, because if I'm not wearing foundation, my cheeks are so red, and then my concealer is so light because I need a light concealer to cover my dark under eye circles. So if you know any, leave it in the comments below. But now that I'm wearing foundation, it shouldn't be a problem. And then I just use this Sephora concealer brush to apply it. Now I'm just taking this contour kit again, and then I'm just using this shade to contour my face. Okay, so now I'm taking the L'Oreal True Match Powder Glow Illuminator to highlight my face. And I have to use the brush it comes with because I don't have any other right now. I use the Benefit They're Real mascara. This used to be my favorite, and then I just came back to it because I like to like switch it up. I always wear red lipstick no matter what. And usually I use the Kylie lip kit with the lip liner, but I've run out. So I'm just using a NYX one. I've tried just about every red lipstick, and this one is just the best one, to be honest. Well, this is the completed look. It's not too much, but you still look good because the full face is done. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, just like a casual makeup look, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Happy Easter, everyone!